Clean Bugs, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today we have our first unboxing and possibly styling video. I'm not sure yet, but here she is. So she's actually a wig that I got from Amazon from a brand called Style Icon. So let's take her out. Like, it looks to be already like pre-plucked and everything because I wanted like a lace front and everything, but like she's kind of cute. But like, I'm gonna need to judge her up because she's kind of flat, and then on top of that, she has that dreaded middle part. I hate middle parts. So here we go. Let's see how I like it. Oh God. No. Come on. There we go. I usually kind of don't do my hair like this because I usually kind of clip it together, but I found that it kept messing up the back of the wigs. And paid too much goddamn money for this shit. So as you can see, that middle part has got to go. Okay. Sweet Jesus. Okay. Let's see what I can do. Oh, that's real cute. That is really cute. Hold on. So you can get the full gist of it. I don't know why I don't turn my lights on. And then this little bump. Oh, that's really cute. Alright. Some of this hair is going to have to go. Much better. So now I'm gonna do my full face of makeup and I'll be right back. So this is what I came up with. Not the most brilliantest thing I have done, but I actually like it with the hair. I'm gonna need to figure out, some styling videos because, again, oh my god, this hair. Like, I'm gonna need to figure some stuff out because, like, this hair is really, really pretty and I really like it. Only thing is, it's so flat. I need to judge it up, do a couple other stuff. Now, I want to hear in the comments, how do y'all like this hair? Because I'm feeling it, but like, I'm gonna need, a few more goes with this. I'm gonna need to get some hairspray, something, because just so y'all know, when y'all take this hair, this specific hair, out of the box, it stinks. It stinks so bad. And literally, when I tell you this, how I know it stinks, for the simple fact, I don't have a great sense of smell at all. And if I can smell it, then it's bad news. It's really bad news. But I'll figure out something with this. So, as you've come to the end of another video, as always, I love you, my community loves you, and you are valid. Bye!